Want to enable or disable read caller names aloud on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra so your phone announces who's calling? Don't worry, here's how to turn it on or off.
Dr. Lucy Hudson.
First, open the phone app. Tap the three dots in the top right, then go to Settings. Now tap Answering and Ending Calls. Then select Read Caller Names Aloud. From here, you can turn it on or off anytime. Now, if you tap on the actual Read Caller Names Aloud option, you'll see a few extra settings. You can set it to Always, so it reads the name for every incoming call,
Bob.
or Bluetooth or headphones only if you only want to hear it while connected to a headset or car Bluetooth. You may also see an option to announce twice if you want the name repeated. If the person is saved in your contacts, your phone will read their name, and if not, it may read the phone number instead. And that's it. Thanks for watching till the end.